Welcome friends. We are talking about packages in Java. We have seen what is package, we have seen what are the benefits of package, we have seen types of package. Now it's a time to create package. So are you ready to create your own package? In this session I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to write a program to create a package, how to compile the program so that we can see the package, and we will create a package with a .class file. So please watch this video till the end and try to understand how to create package. So let us start our journey for creating packages. Creating packages is very important from programmer's point of view. Now how to create a package? Let us have a quick theoretical part about creating a package. The first thing we have to learn is a package keyword. Now package keyword is used to create a package in Java programming. So there are some rules to use package. Number one, the package must be used at the top of the program. The first keyword used in your program should be the package. Before importing any other packages or before writing your actual Java code, the first statement you have to write in a program is package, and you have to specify name for a package. The name of package must be valid one. There are some rules that we have to follow while creating packages. All built-in packages starts with small case letter. So generally class name starts with capital letter and package name starts with lowercase letter, and this is not hard and fast rule, but we have to follow the same nomenclature system even when we are creating user defined packages. You have to start with a lowercase letter, don't use any special character, and try to use meaningful name for package so that by using the name itself we can understand what is the purpose of the package. So you have to just keep these things in mind while giving name for the package. Start with lowercase letter, use a small and meaningful name so that it will be easy to remember later on. Next thing we have to remember that how the package will be created. If you are writing at the top package and then package name, then first it will check whether that package really exists or not. If the package that you have mentioned in a package in a program, if already exists, then that same package will be updated. Your new .class files will be added in a package, or if same .class files are available in a package, those will be replaced. If the package already exists, it will be updated, and if it does not exist, then new package will be created. So this is one line, package followed by package name will replace existing package, or it can create a new package. Now this is about writing a program. There is one more thing that we have to remember at the time of compilation. We have to use -d option where we want our package, because already we have seen the package is nothing but a folder from operating system point of view. So when you are compiling a program that is going to create a package, you have to provide additional option to the Java-C compiler by using -d option, and then you have to specify the location where you want the package to be created. If you want to use the same directory, working directory, you just put the dot, or you can give the full static path, no issues. These are the some theoretical points that we have to remember before creating a package. Now let us do it programmatically. Now I am going to show you how we can write a program to create a package. Now the purpose of this program is to create a package, not what to put inside a package. So I am not going to write a big program. I am going to write a small program. I am going to create one class, and just for testing purpose I will add one method inside it. Let us compile the program and see how the package will get created. Here also I am not using any editor. I am going to use a simple notepad, and we are going to compile the program by using Java-C application on command prompt. We can use editors also, but here specifically I am not using any editor because I want to show you how to compile the program by using -d option. Let us start our programming part. Now this is just a notepad. Now here we are going to type a program. So here the first word that we are going to use is package. P small package. Now this is a keyword space. Now here we have to specify name for the package that we want. Now it should begin with lowercase letter. Now here I'm just giving a name. Let us say this is the first package that we are going to create and it doesn't have any purpose. So I'm just using a P1 as a package name. You can use any name, only it should start with lowercase letter. This is our first package, that's why I'm just saying P1. So P1 is a package, semicolon. Now this is your first statement in your program. Package, keyword, space, the name of package. Now if P1 already exists, then it will be replaced by adding a new .class file, or if P1 does not exist, it will be created. Now we know that there is no P1 package, so new P1 package will get created. What to write inside it? Now we are going to create a class. So just for testing purpose, I am creating a class. Generally, when you are creating classes inside a package, we have to develop public class. The reason is class must be available to outside the package. If you are making a private class, the class will not be available outside the program, because when we are writing class files inside a package, we are going to import this class later on in other files by using a package, and then we are going to use it. What is the purpose of creating a package? We are going to put your classes in a package or interface in a package. Later on we can import these classes in other programs and we can use it. Now if you want your class is accessible to this file outside the file, then you have to make it public, and therefore I am going to write a public class. Okay, now public, and it is a public class. Now let us give the name. This is a class inside a package P1. So I am just saying class P is a name for the class. You can use any name. I am just saying class P is a class name. Now inside it, I am going to write one method. Now the method is just to test something, and therefore I am saying public void test. Now this is a method, and inside this method I will just try to display something. So here I will just say system.out.println, just print a message, so that inside test of class P in P1. Okay, so this is just line that will be printed. So this is the end of test method and this is end of class. That's a simple class I am going to write. Okay, now the thing is that we have to check how to create a package. Now here P1 we are trying to create, and P1 should not be empty. That's why I'm just going to create one class, and in next session I am going to show you how to import these packages on classes. Right now our intention is just to create a package. Utilization part we will see in the next session. Program is ready. Save the program. So as it is a notepad, I am using a save as option. So already I have created a folder Java test. Inside that folder I am going to save the file. Okay, now to save the file I am just going to use class p.java. Okay, already that file was there, so I have replaced. So now this is our new file. Now program is ready. Now next session is important. Now we are going to compile the program from command prompt. Okay, so let me open a command prompt. Go to your working directory. Just check whether your file is there. Yes, class p.java is there. Now here, generally, we are compiling the program like this. Just give the javac space file name. Now file name is class p.java. Now this is our regular compilation when we are not creating any package. But as now we are going to create a package. If you are compiling program like this, package will not be created. Okay, only your class will be compiled. You will get a .class file, class p.class. But that will be in your current working folder, and package will not be created. Now why it is so? Because you are not giving a location where we want to create a package. So compilation for package creating program should be somewhat different. Now here what we have to provide additionally is we have to provide a directory in which we want to create a new package. So I am just putting -d space, and here I will put the dot. So dot stands for current directory. So its meaning is compile class p.java program, and if you are creating a package, that package should be created in a same working directory. Okay, so let us see what happens. I will compile the program. Okay, no error found. Now let us try to check the folder whether the package p1 is created or not. So this is the folder. Now here you can see the output p1. The p1 directory is created. From OS point of view, p1 is a directory. Just double click on it, and now here you can see class p.class. The class is already created. Okay. Now this is a simple way how to create a package, and the package contains your .class file. Now you can add n number of .class files inside one package by using one program or by using a separate programs. You can create you can write multiple classes in one program and put all of them in package p1, or you can write a separate program, and every time your package p1 will be updated. First time it will be created, and later on for each program it will be updated, and .class files will be added inside them. Now, same thing is applicable for creating sub package also. You can create a sub package by using the same technique. Now if you want to add a sub package inside it, you can write down package space p1 dot any package name, sub package name. So suppose p2 is a sub package, you can write p1 dot p2. Now p1 will be created, and inside it will create a p2. So same thing is applicable for sub packages also. So this is a simple way to create packages by using a Java program. I hope all of you have understood how to create packages in Java. Here I am using simple notepad and command prompt to compile the programs so that anybody can do it. And here only important thing that you have to specify the folder where you want to create your package. So you just do it practically, and your programs you can put in comments, or you can put what you are taking away from this video inside a comment. I am expecting that all of you should do it practically and comment your program and comment your outcomes, what you feel, what you found inside the comments. Okay, so thank you very much. Let us meet in the next session where I am going to show you how to utilize sessions, how to utilize packages, how to import the package, how to use classes inside them. So let us meet in the next session. Happy learning.